There we go. There we go. Nice. Nice. Hey kids, it's your dad, Ricky. We're out at this creek, little waterfall jammy, as you can see behind me. I'm trying for my first trout today. I'm hoping, to have some success. I've tried a couple other times with no luck. I'm out here with my cousin, Jet the Threat. You'll see him eventually. And for right now, we're starting with worms, and I got some other, like panther martins and rooster tails, whatever. I don't know. I'm gonna try my little heart out, and if I get one, I'm gonna be a pretty happy little girl. So, stay tuned or whatever. All right, well, thanks for watching Squatch County Fishing. Appreciate it. All right, kids. I'm out here with Jet the Threat. Cuzzo. At these little falls. Gonna see if I can't find a trout. I'm gonna use the ultralight first. Ultralight with a wormy. Yes, 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 yes. My first trout ever. My first trout ever. My first trout ever. I gotta show Jet. Jet! Jet! My first trout ever. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Nice, man.
Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. I gotta get him back. Hold on. Yes. Awesome. First trout ever. All right, we made it to the next spot. Worm on a jig. Try not to fall in here. Wow. All right, I'm getting bit. Let's see if I can get that bite again. It's pretty quick. There we go. There we go. Nice. Nice. Come on. Nice. Nice. Easy pal. Easy pal. Easy pal. Easy pal. Easy pal. Beautiful. Beautiful. Yes. See him? Look at the brown. All right, we want to get him back. Beautiful fish. Let's get him back. Let's get him right back. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. See if we can get another one. I can't believe how quickly that happened. That was my second trout ever. Whew, that was awesome. We are back at the same spot. Gonna see if we can't get something to round out this video. This video is taking place over a bunch of days. We on? Holy shit, we're on. Holy shit, we're on. Oh, 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 there goes my line. My line snapped. And I'm gonna get this. Oh boy, come on, come on. Oh, no. Oh, get in there, don't get... Oh my God, this guy is so strong. Oh, all right, we got one. Look at that sucker. Huh? That was difficult, but that did not take long at all. We're gonna have to retie on. He snapped me off right as I was getting him up. That was not cool. Ugly bastard. All right, let's get you back. Oh, good boy. Whew. Man, that was chaos. That was chaos. I think I may have located some fish. Come on, let me get one more. Let your dad get one more. Yes, yes. This feels decent. This feels decent. Nice. Beautiful. Oh, came right off. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful brown. Oh, I'm gonna slip. Don't wind up in the water. Don't go in the water. Don't go in the water. Okay. All right. All right, quick little outro. That footage you just saw was from like last September, but I wanted to put a little something together because it was my first trout and second trout, first few trout, all, you know, kind of broken up over a few days, and I just threw it all together. But, you know, I got a lot more footage coming. I got some good trout footage coming. So, you know, stay tuned and like, comment, subscribe, all that. Thanks for watching Squatch County Fishing. You know, I appreciate it.